Hi, I'm Tiger, and this video is an introduction to my video series Art and How It Works. So, what is art? Well, first off, I believe art is expressions of life using a combination of creative skill and imagination. Part of that definition comes from the Google definition, but I've changed it to how I understand it. So, we try to recreate our life experiences, but it's actually impossible to recreate it exactly. Even if it's like a photograph and it looks exactly like you saw it, but you can't exactly recreate how it smelled and how the wind felt on your arm and so on. So we have to kind of like go down to second best here, or maybe we have to try to recreate it to the best of our possibility using what we have. And so that could be photography or a pencil or whatever, pencil and paper. And there are like millions of different ways we can express ourselves with those different mediums, but there are general guidelines of elements and principles such as line, color, texture, pattern, unity, and those are rules that art can be broken down into no matter what medium you use. And of course, every artist has a different preference, and so every artist will use different techniques in order to create the effect that they want. It's kind of like the lottery system, where there's like a million different numbers out there, but everyone has their own. And just as every artist uses different techniques, everybody reacts to those techniques and the differences in artwork a little bit differently every time. But there are general rules of thumb, and there are also general ways a mind works to the appearance of each of those little twists in artwork. So everybody person A likes this and they draw this way, but person B doesn't like it, and so they draw this way. But then person C likes a little bit of each one, and so it's kind of like it's just a myriad of different ways that things work. But the questions that I'll be covering in this video series is going to be, how can a person manipulate these elements and principles in our work, and how does each change affect the mind? And the second question is, what are some of the techniques that are commonly used in each principle and element? I'm Tiger from TigerTie.com. I hope you enjoy this video series as much as I do.